There are different types of online teaching. It is not that you are only teaching someone who's sitting in front of you. You can even teach when you are sleeping and earn money. How is that possible? I'm going to talk about this in this video. So ensure that you watch this video till the end. Welcome back. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about different types of online teaching. It's not about only one-to-one teaching. There are different other ways that you can teach someone online. I keep getting questions these days about online teaching and what are the different ways I can teach, what are the different methods that I can follow, and how I can earn while I'm sleeping. So in this video, I'm going to talk about both active and passive sources of income while you're teaching online. So ensure that you see this video till the end. If you have any queries, you can obviously ask in the comment section below and I'll definitely answer them one by one. I do not miss any of your comments. Welcome to another video from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. My name is Stan. Let's start the video. Alright, so on my channel so far, I have talked about Preply. I've shown you how you can create your profile on Preply and how you can get started with teaching people on Preply. Okay, but Preply is only one way of teaching someone online, right? If you are having a student who's sitting in front of you, you're using one of those options like Preply has its classroom. The student will log in, you will also log in, and you will going to teach him one-to-one. That is one way of teaching. What are the different other ways that you can impart your knowledge or you can teach someone online? So the first thing is like Preply where we have one-to-one teaching. Now in one-to-one teaching, a student book your classes, book your lessons for an hour mostly. Sometimes it goes for a couple of hours, but it is only one-to-one, like one teacher and one student. Okay, that is one way of teaching. The other very popular way is where we are teaching multiple students together. Like there will be one teacher and many students. It's called one-to-many teaching. Okay, now in this what happens is it's again a classroom, but here there are multiple joiners. Like on Skype or Google Meet or similar platforms, you can have multiple people join a meeting simultaneously, right? So one of those should be the teacher, and the others whoever have joined that meeting would be the students. So that's how you can teach multiple people in one particular time. Now this can be possible on Preply also. It can be possible on other alternatives of Preply, but mostly it happens in pre-planned systems. Pre-planned systems means there are different colleges, different schools, institutions who let their students attend a class of a hired teacher or a guest lecturer. In those kind of situations, you can find one-to-many teaching systems. Okay, these are the two ways where you can earn money online actively by teaching people, right? So these are the active sources. The third one that I'm going to talk about is the passive source of income, where again you are teaching someone online but you are earning money while you are even sleeping. That means somebody is learning from you when you are not actively teaching him, right? There comes the importance or the opportunity for self-paced courses. Now self-paced video courses are nothing but those which you can see on Udemy, you can see on Skillshare, you can see on Teachables, Thinkific, and all those platforms. Now what happens there is that I create a complete course on a particular subject or a topic, and I create those in video formats. So I have probably 20 videos talking about one particular topic or one particular small subject, and in those 20 videos I teach something. Okay, now once those videos are done, I'll upload those videos and store them online. Now any student, whoever from around the globe, whoever has the access to that particular course, he will log in and see the course when I maybe not be present at that point in time. Okay, I'll not be present live at that point in time. So what happens is, even when you're sleeping, someone in the other part of the world where it is day, maybe they are buying your courses and going through your courses. They're learning and they're also paying you through that whatever payment mode they have, right? So in those cases, you are actually earning when you are sleeping. That's the passive source of online teaching, right? So these are the three major ways that you can teach online and still earn money. Now there is one more option which is similar to the first one, where you are, it's kind of a combination. Okay, it's similar to the first one. It also has some kind of features or characteristics of the second one, which is the passive source of income. Now it is called question and answer based teaching. There is a website called check.com. I'm sure many of you must have heard of it. Now on Check, what happens is you register as a teacher and you list your credentials, you make your profile. There are students who will log in and they will have their own profile and they will ask questions. Now whenever you answer a question and the student gets to that question and see the answers, accepts that answer, you get paid for it. Okay, so first of all, it is active income, because whenever you are answering the questions, you are getting paid. First thing. Second thing is it's kind of passive also, because you are not live. Okay, the student may have asked the question and he must have left, and you are answering the question when the student himself is not there. Now when the student is reading your answer, probably you are not online, right? So there is no live interaction between the student and the tutor. Okay, so you are getting paid when you are sleeping in that kind of situation also. Okay, so these are the main 4 ways where you can teach online and still make money. Okay, so let's have a quick recap. The first one is one-to-one teaching. The second one is one-to-many teaching. Okay, the third one is having self-paced video lessons or courses. The fourth one is question and answer based teaching. Now today's question is, what are the different modes of teaching that you have found out or you have probably experienced online? Please write in your comments and tell me which mode of teaching have you seen on the internet. If you have any questions regarding this video, if you want to know anything about online teaching, please let me know. Like I said, I answer all your questions. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please ensure that you subscribe, because I create this kind of videos very regularly. If you like this video, please give me a like and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in another video very soon. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.